The thought of the thrill of an adventurous ride on an off-road is crazy. And if you are someone who is crazy off-roading enthusiast and enjoy rash driving on uneven surfaces, I have something for you in store. So guys, presenting all new Mahindra Thar 2020. My name is Alisha and welcome back to Ceramic Pro Kochi. Honestly speaking, this muscular and heavy look with this massive tires of Mahindra Thar is giving me a feeling of adventure and thrilling me for an off-road ride. The all-new second generation Mahindra Thar has created quite a buzz since it was unveiled. The new Mahindra Thar is sleeker and sophisticated with immensely modern and better finish. Today we have 2.2-liter diesel 𝐁𝐞𝐬 edition, which produces 130 bhp with 6-speed manual transmission. It comes in two variants. One is hard top roof and other is manual convertible soft roof. So today we have hard top roof. Overall, this design is to complement outdoor adventures. The new Mahindra Thar retain its iconic look with this new distinctive grills flanked with this classic round headlamps, which add its presence on the road. This attention-grabbing design machine is in the house for Ceramic Pro treatment. The metal and paint on body panel, the plastic parts on wheel arches, front and back bumpers, even on the hard roof, which is all better than before, need to be preserved and protected against all kinds of environmental damages. Moving through all the stages of Ceramic Pro treatment, it would be awesome and exciting for us. So let's start with our stage 1, which is detailed wash on this muscular machine with our enthusiastic detailers team.
I'll give you a head start, let you go to run as far as you believe, but you won't get far, 'cause your mind is far beyond reality. You're jumping over what's fair, and you don't seem to care. So here's the best part, I'll give you a head start. I think that life's too short, I'm here to let you know. You think that you can run, staring down the barrel of my gun. There's no getting out of this, scream and shout, going down in flames now. No, you can't get away. I think that life's too short, I'm here to let you know. You think that you can run, staring down the barrel of my gun.
The car which meets more than one need. driving through plain roads and being adventurous to off-roads. The all-new Thar is truly being worn. All the painted parts are protected with Ceramic Pro 9H. And if you will see, there are lots of plastic parts on this new Mahindra Thar. So all the plastic parts are protected with Ceramic Pro plastic coat, which will give it a long life with deep black look. So guys, presenting all new Mahindra Thar, which is protected with Ceramic Pro coatings. So yeah, make sure you like and enjoy this video.
You think that you can run, staring down the barrel.